Where is my fabulous daughter? My kindergartner.
Ian behind the table. She's sick. Bunny's here.
Okay, lovely. Well, anyways,
Yeah.
it's time for Munchpak. It is also my birthday, and I can't think of a better way to
It's his real birthday. We just celebrated his birthday with Pinky John. Yep.
Anyways, I can't think of a better way to celebrate my birthday than with a gift of Munchpak.
Yep. Because you gave him a gift for his birthday.
Anyways.
And she peeked.
Just real quickly, if anybody,
Boy.
to everybody who wished me a happy birthday on Facebook, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it.
We have these and these because I
Oh
saw.
boy, I see something Mexican on there.
Ooh.
No, wait. Oh yeah, that is Mexican. All right. Well, we're
I don't
just.
have that.
Tell you what, we're just gonna throw that away.
No. No. Can I choose? Hey, Daddy, your mom eating your popcorn. I guess you can choose because you're the birthday boy.
Let's do something healthy first, okay? Okay. Mini asparagus-shaped black sesame biscuits from Japan.
I
didn't even have to look that up. I'm gonna try to smell it.
All over the place. Got me doing something.
To be fair, I really can't smell anything. Ooh, actually not bad.
Maybe make a cough with this one. Not bad.
Want that one?
I don't know what this stuff is.
I love Munchpak, you guys. Alright,
My turn.
let's do something gummy. Let's do the gummies. Ooh, cheesecake gummies. Hell yes.
That's what I was going to go for. Let me open it because I chose it. He's a cook.
Let me read it first.
I need to hit. It looks super good. I'm try one. I'm going to take the blue ice cream. I'm going to take
You would take
a
that.
pink ice cream. Yeah, can I am. We all take ice cream.
Okay, I'm gonna do cheesecake. Mix it up a little bit. It looks like a pizza, to be fair.
What's your take, guys? Oh. I know what this tastes like.
Ooh.
The Mexican candy store. I taste like candy.
Not bad.
I have to try the It tastes like ice cream. It's a little blue one.
Blue one. I really don't know if they're flavored or they're just colored differently.
Salem? Hey, I really keep these syrup.
Sorry, they're all gone. Okay, what's next? Upside down?
It's Daddy's turn. Dada! Daddy! Dada!
Okay, I'll let Jazzy choose.
Okay. I thought I can open it.
You wanna open that? What is that? Let me see.
Do you need help? Oh, I don't know.
Let's see what that is.
Don't eat all. Okay? I know. This one's hard. But this one. This one's hard. This one's hard.
Okay, well, alright. So these look like bugles. Probably the same company.
Maybe you just got it from the store and mailed it to us.
Look, I'm a unicorn.
I tried.
Oh, those are actually really good. Uh-oh. I know what you're gonna like. Save that for last. Okay, let's go south of the border.
I don't spicy.
It says nacho.
Nacho?
So this looks like a Mexican version of Cheetos. Don't really understand if there's a difference. They smell a little bit differently,
Okay.
and the texture looks a little bit different than an average Cheeto.
I'm gonna try. Tell me if they're spicy.
They do have a bit of a kick to it. I like it though.
They're not. Yeah, I stuck on there.
Okay.
You have it.
A little bit spicy.
Eat the sour.
Let's do something sweet.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's save these two things for last.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is
These would nummy.
Wafy Up Extra.
Daddy,
Hazelnut cream wafer
Daddy.
with peanut pieces. It really doesn't matter, Sam. It really doesn't matter.
And Uncle Pop got you morning half. I'm kidding. I think you with them. I choose this. Here.
Okay, so that's from Turkey. What is this? Oh, I've had these before.
Have equipment. Bora camora skydara morora.
Shh.
I have equipment. Blah 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 blah.
High teen corn roll, French thick corn soup flavor from Taiwan. And I'll show you here real quick. Oh, upside down.
Let me try first. Pretty good. Take a big bite. Yeah, take a big bite. 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 You did it.
Oh, it tastes like corn on the cob. Oh, that's good.
We have something else. Where is my friend?
That's really good.
I don't like it. This is what we're choosing next.
Ooh, that's too big.
I just don't know me. I want this. No, it's sour. Nobody wants to.
Okay, Milka collage with caramel. 100% Alpine milk chocolate.
I wish we could have millions.
I love this
of
label. It looks like a Willy Wonka bar. I want to see real quick where this is from. I think it's from America.
I
or not.
like the silly. I don't know what
Okay, it's
kind
from
of
Poland.
silly face when I'm a baby. I think I'm the first one to try it.
Everyone's gonna get a chance to share it.
Try one. Look at these on the bottom. I'll try these. On the bottom.
Okay, so that's interesting. Look at the bottom. That's the bottom, guys. It's the top.
These are good.
Mmm.
Chocolate. So cute. Let me read it first. From what side? I don't know.
I already read that. All right, we're gonna finally open this one. thirsty now all of a sudden though.
You also have some in the water.
Oh, they're making a mess.
Oh, it's super good.
I will have my own, thank you.
What? Diving.
Enough for everybody. Awesome. Oh dear.
Fun, yeah.
Ooh, that's really good. Ooh, really good.
Hey, let's run.
Flavor keeps coming. Ooh! That wasn't totally necessary, but let's see. Ooh, coffee crisps. Caramel salé. I'm gonna need to vacuum.
Yeah. We didn't try those things before.
It's in the family pack.
A family pack?
Mm-hmm.
I do not see it.
We have the original, by the way, if you guys are ever wondering.
I do not see that nummy.
Okay, this is from Canada. This is from Canada. I really want to go to Canada, guys.
Maybe I do, if it's fun. Yeah, I will.
Niagara Falls. Oh, excuse me.
I will. I will.
I'm just gonna break off a little piece and show you guys real quick the texture.
Can I try?
These are coffee sticks. I really don't think you should be having these, but
Coffee. Coffee? You don't want. Let me see.
Try her real quick. Let's see.
oh boy, we go from sweet to sour. Oh god, toxic waste.
Wait.
Hang on.
I want to see something. There's lemon,
Toxic.
strawberry, and blueberry. Yep. I like
We're on the
it.
table.
I'm just gonna take the thing off.
Okay, so these are from Pakistan. I might die.
Nothing itching.
These are gonna be
I
sour.
love me need to wear that when it's cold outside.
Stop, that's enough. Oh, sugar.
Oh, don't trust these.
They look like pretty pebbles.
You look like a nerd. Try the lemon one. Everybody try the lemon one. What color's the lemon? Yellow. Yellow?
They're a lot harder than nerds.
They're chewy.
Ow.
Okay, I'm afraid that's gonna be a no for me. Ah,
These definitely good.
that's okay.
They're really good, but really.
Most of the stuff today have been really good, so I'm very happy with the result. Okay.
Sour. It's definitely sour.
They're not too bad. Boom! Popping candy. Individually wrapped. Oh my god. Get in my tummy.
Are we going pop? What? Going pop when you open? Daddy, are these spicy?
Now that's a thumbnail. So these look exactly like Pop Rocks. Hang on, they might be sour.
I'm just trying to run.
We're gonna look. We're gonna confirm. Just chill. Okay, so these are from China. Each pack contains 20 individual sized
Is that
pouches.
the right one?
Yes, it is. They're just different colors. Okay, this one is black cherry.
wait for me. Wait.
So awesome, they look exactly like Pop Rocks.
Dada, wait for me, wait for me, wait for me.
I love this camera.
Wait for me. Wait. This way.
Jazzy, do you want one?
Okay, just put some in your hand. I did this.
I'm gonna take it like a shot.
You want one, Midnight? Jasmine, you want one? Here, give me the pack.
A basket.
Yeah, that's the road. That one. No, that one, sweetheart. The red one. This is the red one. Yeah, you want one or no?
Okay. See, pop in your mouth like Pop Rocks.
Hot. Whoa. Not bad.
Here.
Little bit of a fizz, more so than regular Pop Rocks.
I don't know why you get so close. It's blue. Like dark.
Excuse me.
What you think? Good?
Munchpak,
You like it or no?
huge success. Thank you again to everybody on Facebook who wished me
Yeah,
happy birthday.
It did like move. I can't see. Yeah, it did like moving on my teeth.
Okay. This video is going
Give
on.
us more of these. They're so good.
Okay, guys,
Yeah, bye. That one.
we'll see you soon.
Bye.